The best thing I have ever done for myself is, especially with women like you. Hey boo! So in today's video, I am giving you the one and only makeup tip you need to look younger instantly. If you are new here, my name is KiKi Carr. I am a makeup artist and a licensed esthetician. I have been in the beauty industry for over 30 years, so the advice that you get on this channel is professional advice. I'm not here telling you what works for me, but what has been proven to work for women of different ethnicities, different complexions, different skin types other than my own. I have a lot of product right here in front of me. I'm really excited to share with you today. I'm not even gonna hold you and make you wait a long time. The one thing that you need to do is fix your complexion. Focus on the skin, juice it up, and cover up the blemishes. Because what makes us look older is not just the fine lines and wrinkles. It's a combination of things. It's the dull skin, it's the hyperpigmentation, whether that's from dark spots from an old scar or age spots, sunspots, any type of melasma, textured skin, the dark circles underneath the eye, combined with the thinning lashes and brow. All of those things add up and it makes us look older. But nothing will age rewind like fixing those issues on the skin, correcting the complexion, making the skin look as beautiful as humanly possible. Yes, young people have volume and firm skin, but what also makes the skin look youthful is that it's smooth and that it's clear. Outside of skincare, there are lots of things that you could do with makeup. I am going to bring you a skincare video soon, so be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss that. But in today's video, we're going to focus on makeup and just making the skin look bouncy and beautiful and giving it a nice healthy glow. So for my girlies who kind of shy away from complexion products, or you're pressed for time, or you just don't want to use a lot, you're just in your era of less is more, and that is totally fine. This right here is all you need. The Chanel Skin Enhancer. It definitely does that. It enhances the appearance of the skin. It gives it like a glow from within type of look. This has beautiful skin loving ingredients in it. It's orange, so it's going to do a little bit of color correcting. And the best part is a little bit goes a long way. All you need is one pump. You put this on top of all of your skincare and you are good to go. You can pair this with the YSL Touche, the YSL Touche clock. I don't know how to say it, but this is a brightening pen by YSL. And the great thing is when you use this and the Chanel Skin Enhancer, you can just put everything on with your hands. You can pat it in, tap it in. You don't need to set it with powder. Everything looks so natural and skin-like. I made a video about this already, so be sure to check that out if you already haven't, because I demonstrate this and really go into more detail. It's really beautiful and I absolutely love this pen. And then you'll just pop on some mascara because you don't ever want to neglect your lashes. When you do a little something to the lashes, it helps your eyes stand out and pop. You don't have to worry about an eyeshadow look and all of that if you just pay a little bit of attention to your lashes. And then lastly, definitely put on a lip gloss. You can find these on my site. You can put on a clear gloss like this one. This is Shy and it's so glossy. I really love the shine on this one. Or you could use something like Status, which is a lip topper. This is like a gold iridescent, just for the girly who does not want straight clear. You want a little bit of shimmer, you want a little bit of something. So starting off with skincare, of course, I'm going to go in with my Avo Cosmetics Botanical Toner. This one is all natural, vegan, and organic. You can find it on my site. This is Clean Beauty. It restores the pH of the skin. It's hydrating and it's going to help you get that nice, bouncy, beautiful skin that you want. Next, I'm going to go in with the Kiehl's Niacinamide Serum. Putting on the Chanel Skin Enhancer. See how beautiful it just makes the complexion look so much better. I'm going to do a little bit of priming with the eye base and face base. I like to use makeup priming products that are also skincare products. This stuff is a skincare makeup hybrid. So you see how much more beautiful and youthful I look just by prepping the skin and making it look even, softening any blemishes, minimizing the appearance of the pores, just focusing on that complexion. Now, if I was running out the door, I put on my mascara and a little bit of touche underneath the eye area and my lip, and I will be good to go. But if you have a little bit more time, you can go in with the Lancome Tint Idole. This one I chose because it really is so good. It really doesn't settle in fine lines. And this color in particular, for me, it's a very slight highlight. It's not a really bright one. So I'm going to put this underneath my eye, and I'm going to be just letting this sit while I do my brow. Add the Gucci in my smile lines and the NARS Soft Matte to cover up all the little dark spots that's still sort of peeking through. Any texture too. You can put this on all of that. Let's take the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow powder and just start smudging some of this throughout my brows. I have no clue why like everybody is still up and it's so noisy outside this late. Going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Volumizing Gel. And this is just going to help them look nice and thick, helping those hairs stand up. But yeah, girl, it's late. Today has been a day. It's like you can never win. Like you could be doing everything right. Everything could be going perfect, beautiful. You'd be like, yes, like you've done everything that you can do. Like you're bringing your A game, and then life is gonna be like, okay, but here's a curveball though. I have been rolling with the punches for 2 days at this point. The best thing I have ever done for myself is realize that everything is just what it is. Once I said that to myself and just like accepted it, life got a whole lot less stressful, easier. Like it just got so much better. I was actually reading like some type of post or a comment or something like that, and the lady, I think it was a lady, was talking about how her blood pressure is so low and she drink this and she do this and she do that, and which is great. Like she listed that she drinks a lot of water, which will definitely help keep your blood pressure low because it keeps the system flushed of toxins and sodium and just keeps you hydrated. And when you're hydrated, your body can function at its maximal potential because your body is mostly water. But guess what? I ain't do none of that, half of that, especially every day. And my results are actually the same or even better. The last time I went to the doctor, my blood pressure, I kid you not, was ideal. Like what you find in the medical books, like systolic over diastolic, like perfect, okay? The perfect number on the dot. And that's because I refuse to be stressed out, especially by people. Any toxic person gotta go. I mean, life is gonna happen enough. Things, situations is gonna come up that are stress inducing, you know? So if it's a person, baby, listen, you got to go. I'm sorry. And not to sound cold, but it doesn't matter who it is. And don't get me wrong, I'm not saying don't be patient with people. What I'm saying is that if they are drama filled, they're always bringing drama to your life, do not hesitate to cut them out of your life because you're only hurting yourself. You are, one, allowing that, right? And you don't have to. And two, when you're stressed out, your body is at like this heightened sense, and you're not supposed to always be like heightened. You're supposed to be heightened in an emergency and when you need to be heightened, like if you're running from a dog or something, but always being heightened because you are around people that are just drama queens or drama kings. Baby, you ain't doing nothing but hurting yourself. All of what that lady do every day with the water and the vitamins and all she was taking and all that stuff like that, beautiful. But guess what? Drink your water, I agree. Get your rest. And keep your stress levels down, and that right there would do tremendous things for your health, for your looks, for your wealth. I'm telling you. You like, how to wealth? Well, you thinking about other things. You're not sitting up, you know, stressed out and thinking about what just happened, and you talking about that on the phone. Your mind not occupied with all that drama. A lot of people really feel like it's all about the diet. It's not all about the diet. It's lifestyle too. Are you getting your rest? Are you keeping your stress levels down? Those type of things almost matter more. Like, I know you've seen the 90-year-old man who smokes a cigar every day and have him a cold beer and eat him some pork every Sunday. He got ham hocks and bacon and all of that. Man still living doing fine because he do not let people get on his nerves. That's why. The nervous system, it runs throughout your whole body. You know that, right? You keep that calm. You focus on healing your nervous system through breathing techniques and therapy and all that stuff like that. And girl, listen, you're gonna be looking good, you're gonna be feeling good, you're gonna be flourishing in life, okay? Look at how the Lancome just smoothed out the under eye. Like, it's flawless. All right, now I'm going to use my setting spray to further press these concealers in and lock them in. And you know what? This doesn't take long. Actually, this is like a 10-minute look. Not including the brows, but this part, like fixing the complexion, 10 minutes. If you don't want to worry about your brows, you could do micro shading, but I'm telling you, it hurts. Like, that's what the Instagram photos don't tell you. I never had it done to myself, but I used to do it a little bit in my shop. And them ladies was in there crying, tearing up, eyes, tears rolling down the face, baby, because it hurts. It's a tattoo on your face, just so that you know. It's not a permanent tattoo like a regular tattoo. You know, makeup tattooing is semi-permanent. It does fade. You have to get it retouched. You definitely have to go to the right person. You don't want it to turn out gray or green or bleed out or fade too quickly. If you have oily skin, just know that yours is gonna fade quicker than anybody else's. Your microblading. It's expensive, it hurts, so keep that in mind before you decide to do it. All right, now I'm gonna take my rare blush that I have been obsessed with. This is in shade Grateful, and I'm just gonna put a little bit. All right, let's go ahead and set this. I'm just running a little bit of shadow through my lashes just to help define the eyes a little bit. We're gonna pop them with a lash. I have been going in with this one. This is Glammed. It is so pretty. Like, it really, if you wear glasses, get glammed, okay? Because it's just gonna make you look so sexy, so sultry. You're gonna have them bedroom eyes, babe. If you wear contacts or just want something a little bit more subtle, you can go in with the Blessed Lash. Both of them are like a favorite of mine. Let's add a little bit of blush. So yeah, girl, this is the final look. Nice, fresh, dewy, plump, even looking skin that looks smooth and clear. That is a quick, easy way to just look so much younger. Is to just erase all of the scarring, the dark spots, the age spots, the melasma. Like, correct the complexion, make the skin look supple and bouncy and smooth. When it comes to makeup, a little bit definitely goes a long way. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to join my free VIP beauty community. It's all about beauty, makeup, skincare, and fashion, and it's me, KiKi Carr, in your DM, spilling all of the tea about what you need, what you don't need, what's hot, what's not. Everything I know, I'm sharing it with you so I can keep you looking good, because that's my job. In the meantime, click like, click share, click subscribe, duh, and I'll be sure to see you on the next one. What? We did that shit today, boy, cause woo!
I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a